Hey hustlers, Miles here. In today's video, as you probably guessed from the title, we're going to be going over my results with Etsy for the month of May, and I've also got some announcements regarding my new course. Let's get into it. So, welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new here on this channel, we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. So, the income stream that I'm working on currently at the moment is Etsy. So, how did it go in May? What have I been doing? May was a fantastic month for me. I finally cleared $20,000 revenue, which was a big goal of mine since I started my store. So it really just goes to show, what is really possible with Etsy, and it's a fantastic opportunity right now to get started with. So have I been doing anything different really? No. I've still been sticking to my usual formula of testing things, tweaking things. The reason we do this, as I've said in previous videos, is because without testing something, you're not going to know if it's going to work or not. And as I did all the testing in the beginning when I started my store, I know what works for my store now. So it's just a case for me of just scaling. Now, I added a few more products to my store, not as many as last month. In terms of Google Shopping and Etsy promoted listings, I kept those numbers exactly the same, and I got the same around about the same results, as you can see from the dashboard. One thing that I do recommend though, anyone watching this, that if you haven't tried, is Etsy's new abandonment cart coupon codes. So I've been testing this over the last couple of months or so. If someone adds one of your products to their cart and they don't purchase it, after 24 hours, Etsy will send a coupon code of your choice to them to kind of nudge them over the edge to get them to make the sale. This has been working for me. I think it should work for you guys. It's definitely something that you should try out if you haven't done so already. So that's really it in regards to my store. As I've said previously, I don't show these results to brag or to show off. It really is just to inspire you guys of what's really possible if you stick with something and really work hard with something. So, moving on. A lot of you have been asking me about when's my course coming out. I know a lot of you are quite excited about it, which is really flattering for me, guys. I really appreciate it. So, at the earliest, it will be the end of this month, which is June. At the latest, it should be released at some point in July. As I said previously, I want this to be the very best course, the one and only course you'll need to make Etsy work for you. So I'm putting a lot of blood, sweat and tears into making this the very best it can be. So that's really it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And let me know how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.